Hello, this is Terry Cunningham, known as Jamaica Income Guy. Would you like to know how to earn money on Clickbank? I can show you a proven system. The system allows me to earn commission and completely autopilot. By using this system, I'm able to see commission come in high as $300 and over a day. By using this system, I'm able to see sales coming in and completely autopilot. If you're interested in getting this system, all you need to do is click the link in the description. You can just try out the system for yourself for just $1. I'm gonna show you live proof on my Clickbank account. Live proof of my commission that I able to generate just by using this system. I'm going to log on my Clickbank affiliate account. I'm on my Clickbank affiliate account. You can see first week I get on the system and I start using this system. The system show me how to do online marketing and how to get traffic. I make $57 US that week. The next week, following the system, I make $74 US. The next week, following the system, I make $412 US. The next week, following the system, I make $262 US. The next week, following the system, I make $390. This system is a proven system, and you can see the sales are day in, day out. That's how they come in, day in, day out. This system don't really allow me to get paid from only Clickbank alone. The system allow me to get paid from over 30 plus companies. Clickbank is just one of them. So if you are a Clickbank affiliate and you are not seeing any result on your Clickbank account, you need to check the system out. The system can show you how you can go about earning your first commission on Clickbank and make sale on autopilot while you sleep. So, as what I said before, if you need the system, click the link in the description and get full access to the system, and it will show you how you can go about earning money online, promoting anything at all, in any company at all, doing any online business. That's how the system works. And inside the system, it allows you to set up your multiple stream of income. So if you are relying on one source of income, you need to check this system out. Never you rely on one source of income. You need to set up your multiple stream of income. In case if you are in a one business opportunity and that business opportunity go away, your business don't die. So you need to set up your multiple stream of income, and you can do so just by using this system. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, check the system out. You can just try it out for just $1 for 7 days. You will love this system. This system allows me to see results in Clickbank and in other company that I joined as an affiliate. So click the link in the description, check the system out, and if you like this video, you can like it, and if you want more update and how you can go about earning money on Clickbank or any other business opportunity or traffic generation, you need to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to doing more update and how you can go about doing this and that pertaining to business opportunity, traffic. Yes, I'm going to do video on my result and what I try out, and show you guys what worked for me. So you can subscribe to my channel, and if you have anything to say about what you think about this system or this video, you can leave a comment in the description, in the comment section below. Have a nice day.